Hello, I'm in a 2016 Dodge Durango, and today I'm going to show you how to open your cover to fill your tank. So, as long as you've got some power to your vehicle, this button here should release that safety. So now the cover should be open, as it is here. And you'll see here it's got one of these emission safe, no cap fills. And as the directions say here, if you're filling from a gas can, you'll need this special funnel to fill in here. But if you're at like a normal gas pump, you should be able to just fill as normal with your regular unleaded, whatever particular gas is best for your make and model. But if you do need this funnel, you should be able to find it in the trunk. And just should be able to look under here around where your spare parts are going to be for tires and things like that. But this is that funnel you'd use. So you just stick that in there, and then you can fill from your gas can into this funnel. And they make these gas cups like this for just emissions controls, so that you don't have fumes spouting off into the environment. But when you're done, just close this up. And to open this again, you just have to come up and push this button again. And this may not work if your vehicle is completely dead, so you might need to get some charge in here as well. But I hope that's helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.